Smurfit Kappa Parenco is a major manufacturer of graphical and packaging papers, producing around 600,000 tonnes a year. A fleet of 16 Rocla driverless automated guided vehicles and Rocla's warehouse management system play a crucial role in the smooth, efficient operations of the mill. The reliability of this critical solution is backed up by Rocla's full service package.
We have a full maintenance package, which means that we get full support 24/7 for software as well as hardware. And that's what we need, because this is a critical solution for our business, for our daily operations.
Rocla takes care of customers by providing tailored life cycle services for their AGV system. At Parenco, this means, among other things, scheduled AGV maintenance once every quarter. This includes on-site condition checks and reports. Parenco is supported by a local Rocla service partner who can be called in at any time when needed. Service agreements are tailored to each customer's specific needs, including 24/7 AGV help desk service. Recently, the warehouse had a situation where the AGVs were briefly pausing in front of their assigned roles before picking them up.
We had never seen that before, so we called the service desk and asked, okay, please check this, because we are losing too much capacity. In this way we cannot move all the paper that we have to do today. So they checked the situation and they were able to fix this within 1 hour.
Rocla support specialists are available 24/7 to provide immediate support to customers, using remote connections and diagnostics tools.
The operation after that hour went on as before. So luckily they were able to fix that error quite fast.
Simply put, for Parenco, its full service package from Rocla spells more efficiency, more reliability, more system uptime.
We cannot have a system that's not running, because then we will have a paper machine that is not running, and no one will accept that. So the total package is very important. The importance is that we have 24/7 support, and that is available when we need it.